Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my creative journal. It is for the week of September 5th through the 11th, so it is the Labor Day week. And I am going to be using several sticker books, so Bright Type, Plant Mama, and maybe some others, but let's see to start with those two first and go from there. The Plant Mama is so beautiful, and Bright Type just has such a bright, awesome stickers. So I wanted to incorporate those two for sure, and we'll go from there. If you are joining me for the first time in my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate that, and I'm very thankful for you. So here we go. Let's start with like a large sticker in the lower section. I do have to admit that the lower sections of the planner are usually my least favorite ones to write in. I usually do write in with pages in my planner every single day, so because it is chunky, it's a little awkward to write in those. I've been pulling a lot of older sticker books, as you guys see, and kind of using all of my gems. I'm also getting ready for a pretty big giveaway. So I've been putting things aside for you guys and slowly working on creating that for all of you, so that will be coming up probably within the next week or so. Okay, and because I never know how to use these, I wanted to incorporate them into my creative journal because that's probably usually the place where I can use the most unfunctional stickers. I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but that's how I do. So I kind of like that these are really fun backgrounds, and then I can do like a box or something on top of it and make it look super cute. And I love big journaling boxes. That's like my favorite thing ever. This way I can write something about a weekend or my feelings or whatever is going on. So here we go. I think I want to use this big flower greenhouse, but I'm not sure. We'll see. For right now, I want to see what it will look like. I think it might look really good. Oh, it's cute. Okay, let's keep going and add more stickers because that's what you gotta do, right? Okay, so going back to the Bright Type, I think I want to add these bright flowers. It's gonna kind of make this spread a lot brighter. It is still very much flower and plant related, but it's gonna make it just a little bit more brighter, I think. Okay, and maybe like one more. Maybe this. It has pink, greens, and yellows. That's perfect for this tone. I know that blue kind of brings in a color that I haven't used, but that's okay, right? It works. Okay. Okay, I think that looks pretty decent. And I think I'm gonna pull one of my favorite books right now, which is the Functionally Chic Green Blooms from Live Love Bosch, and see what she has in there and go from there. But before I do, let's see what else is in Plant Mama that I want to use in this particular spread. I think I'm gonna add some round boxes like so I can write on these very unfunctional I think that looks kind of fun, right? It's different and fun and pretty, and I might be adding stickers as I write in here too. But let me go ahead and pull the Level of Posh sticker book right now and get some of the greenery in here. So this is probably one of my favorite pages in the sticker book. I have multiples of it. That's how much I love it. And I want to incorporate some of this into the spread. So I'm going to use some plants and add that in. So first I'm going to start with this lovely little plant, and I'm going to place it right up here. But we're going to minimize the line just a slightly bit. Yeah, I think that looks great. Then next is this little monstrosity, or should I say monstera leaf plant right there. Actually, maybe I want to put it in the bottom as well. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. So there we go. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little one on top of here, like so. So cute. And then I want to remove this because it doesn't really go with the same type of greenery. This is a little bit more muted and it's beautiful, and I can probably use it in another spread that's going to need the sticker much more than this does. So I'm gonna go ahead and maybe add another big sticker up there to cover up just a little bit. I'm gonna remove this foil first so I can place it back on. Here we go. I think that went pretty well. And now I can look for a large sticker. Sometimes flipping through the sticker books is frustrating, but also so gratifying. It's one of my favorite things to do, and that's how I get inspired. And I love looking through my sticker books and flipping and just kind of having fun. I don't know if you guys do the same thing, but if you do, let me know. I know the spread is kind of crazy and all over the place, but I kind of love it at the same time. And I think once I write, it's gonna be so beautiful. Because those spreads that look the most crazy prior to the pen look actually quite nice and full after. I'm gonna add one more plant right there, and I think my spread is pretty much done. Let me know what you guys think. I know that I left the top section kind of open and empty, but I'm gonna be doing quite a bit of writing there since I took a lot of space from the other areas. Anyhow, this is my spread and I'm all done. I hope you guys had fun, and let me know what you think about this and all my other spreads. I'll talk to you soon and have a great week. Bye!